guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me again. If you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Or if you've just been around a while and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you guys leave, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So today I'm going over this eye look right here, kind of an icy blue look using some Morphe and Nomad shadow. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, go ahead and keep watching. Alright, to start this look off, I'm using the Sigma Shader Crease Brush. It's the E47 with the Nomad Cosmetics, this blue shade, and I'll have everything linked down below in the description box so you can check it out. But we're going to go ahead and put this shade into our crease. And I'm always tapping off the excess, even though I still get blue under my eye a little bit. I can't seem to get into the routine of doing my eyes first and then my face makeup. I just can't do it. I'm way too OCD for that, so I always do my face makeup first and then I just have to clean it up. So, but for this look, it would probably be best if you did your eyes first. So we're gonna go ahead and put this right into the crease and just keep buffing this color in until it's to the intensity that you want it. Okay, once I have quite a bit of that built up into the crease, I'm going to go ahead and change brushes for just a minute. And I'm going to use the shader lid brush by Sigma. It's the E56. It's just a real little flat brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just pack this onto the eyelid, starting at the outer corner and just really lightly on the inner corner because we are going to put glitter. Okay, now that we have some of that packed on, I'm going to switch brushes again. The key to this look is blending, and I probably don't even blend enough for this to be as good as it could be. I try to blend and keep blending and blending and blending, so. Alright, I'm going to switch brushes again. I'm going to go into the Buff and Blend, the E39 brush by Sigma, and I'm still using the same shade. And we're just going to buff this in and just really, really blend this. The key to this look is just major blending. Alright, now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush. This is the Tapered Blending, the E40, and it's just cleaned off. It's just a cleaned off brush, and I'm going to go into the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette. And I'm just using the shade Indulge right here. And I'm just putting a little bit on this brush just to blend out the edges of this blue. So I'm just gonna blend all around the edge with this. And then we're gonna keep blending. Alright, now with the same Buff and Blend brush, the E39, I'm going to go into the Morphe Dare to Create. It's the 39A palette. And I'm going to go into the shade Indigo. Remove that. So I'm going to go into this shade right here on this Buff and Blend brush, and I'm just going to blend that into this outer V. Blend that right into the corner. Okay, then going back to our first crease brush, the E47, I'm going back into the Nomad shade and adding a little bit on that, and then I'm going to just work this in the crease a little bit more. And then again with a big fluffy brush, just kind of cleaned off with that little bit of Indulge on there. I'm just going to buff out the edges of this. Now I'm just going to take the E56 and the blue shade again, and I'm just going to blend this on the lid a little bit more. We are going to put some concealer right here, but I just want it to make sure that these edges are good so it's nice and blended. Okay, now that that is blended, we're going to take the Sigma E62. This is a cut crease brush. It looks like this, and I'm just going to take some NYX concealer on that brush. Alright, so I'm just going to take some on the brush and just put it right onto the inner corner of the eyelid. Okay, now I'm using the NYX glitter primer, but I did change and I stuck it in this old lip gloss tube just so I have a little bit better control of it. So I'm just going to put this all over where we had the and then I'm using this NYX Roll On glitter. This is Roll On Shimmer, it's called. It's in the shade Platinum. And I'm just going to take this and roll it right over that glitter primer. And then we're going to take that same cut crease brush and I'm just going to blend this out. You can add more. I need some more right there in the inner corner, so some more on there. Just kind of pat it on to that primer. Okay, now I'm just going to take the E47 brush just with the blue that's left on there and just kind of blend this together so it's not a big harsh line of glitter. And then go ahead and run it into the crease again. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and work on the lower lash line. I'm just going to smoke that out. I'm going to use the Sigma Nightlife collab, the flat definer. It's the E15 brush. And I'm going to go into that Nomad blue and go ahead and line my lower lash line with this. And I'm also going to go into the Morphe palette back into Indigo and add that to the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this little e.l.f. crease brush. This is my favorite brush for smoking out the lower lash line. It's just the e.l.f. It's called Professional Eye Crease Brush. And it's just a really little kind of rounded brush. I'm going to add the shade Indigo to that really lightly. Just kind of go up around the corner and then down. And I'm just going to take that E40 brush and go around the edge of that and just really smoke it out. Just get rid of any harsh lines that are there. Okay, now for the lower waterline, I'm using the Sigma Inner Rim Brightener. It's in the shade Final Touch. It's just this like super light pink shade, and I'm just going to line my lower waterline with this. Okay, now for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Gel Liner. And I'm using the small angle brush. It's the E65 by Sigma, which is really, really nice to get your winged liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do my wing liner, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so liner is done and I went ahead and put my lashes on. The lashes I'm wearing are my new absolute favorite, the Ardell Beauty. They're the Wispy number 113. They're just a little bit longer and I really love them. So and now to add this fun glitter, it's not a cosmetic glitter, so just keep that in mind when you're using it near your eyes. It's very dangerous, so don't go too close to your eye, but it is this just from Michaels, just this chunky glitter. So to use this, what I'm going to do is I'm using the Duo Lash Adhesive in the clear. All those little clear things that come in your eyeshadow palettes, I save those and I actually use those to mix colors or lipsticks, that kind of thing. So you can put a little drop on that. And then I just use my finger and I'm just going to dab it where I want the glitter to go. So I just put a little on my finger there, and then I'm just going to put it all in this area. And the cool thing about this is it dries clear and it's super sticky, so it really helps keep that glitter in place. So then I'm just going to take a little brush And then I'm just gonna grab some of the glitters and just dot them on. Now to get the glitters on the brush, I do lick the end of my brush, but it's my brush, so it's okay. So you just grab some glitter, stick them on, just like that, and they stick really, really nicely. Then I'm just going to use the Face Candy Unicorn Glow palette, and I'm just taking this little brush, I'm just going to mix these two together, just a little bit, and just a little bit, and then I'm just kind of putting it over the glitter, and it kind of sticks on that glitter glue, or the lash glue I mean. Alright, then for brow bone highlight, I'm using the Sigma E70 brush, and I'm going to go into the two shades in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and just mix those together and pop that right up onto the brow bone. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys would, please leave a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Also, everything that I use will be down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, if you guys ever recreate any of my makeup looks, please tag me on Instagram. That way I can go give them a like. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.